RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das announced the MPC's decision on Thursday. The MPC decided to keep rates on hold for the 9th consecutive time. The decision was due to strong demand and the need to maintain inflation's decline. The MPC decided by a 4-2 majority to keep the policy report unchanged at 6.5%. The standing deposit facility rate remains at 6.25%. The marginal standing facility rate and the bank rate remain at 6.75%. The MPC will focus on withdrawing accommodation to align inflation with the target. This decision supports growth while controlling inflation, said Das. There is good convergence between market expectations and RBI policies, he added. The governor retained the growth forecast for FY25 at 7.2%. The Q1 FY25 growth forecast was cut to 7.1% from 7.3% earlier. The growth projection was tweaked due to updated information on high-frequency indicators. The governor retained the inflation forecast for FY25 at 4.5%. Quarterly forecasts were slightly tweaked for accuracy. Das noted a divergence between headline inflation and food inflation. Focusing on food prices is important due to its impact on overall inflation. Banks should focus more on mobilizing household deposits, said Das. Banks are facing challenges in funding loans with deposits. Banks are resorting to short-term non-retail deposits to meet demand. This potentially exposes the banking system to structural issues. Innovative products and services can help mobilize household financial savings. Thursday's policy followed the 50th MPC meeting since September 2016. The MPC framework has maintained stability during periods of stress. Growth remains strong, and inflation is on a declining trajectory. The near-term outlook for global growth is positive. Long-term challenges include demographic shifts and climate change. Geopolitical tensions and rising public debt are also long-term challenges. New technology like AI presents both opportunities and challenges. Domestically, the monsoon is progressing as expected. There is robust expansion of services and a turnaround in rural demand. Steady discretionary spending in urban areas supports household consumption.